I don't know if I can do this. You can, Tara. Trust your heart.
I still have homework and reading to finish.
And today's story is about someone who always said one word.
What word?
Tomorrow. Ready for another adventure?
Let's go! Let's go!
Let's go, Tara. Enter my magical world to meet Mia, who delayed everything. I'll clean my room tomorrow. I'll finish my homework tomorrow.
I'll organize my books tomorrow.
Do you always wait until tomorrow? There's always more time. But tomorrow became another tomorrow. Sometimes tomorrow becomes too late. Oh no, I have too much to do. That's a lot. I know, I don't think I can do it. We can do it together. Small tasks grow bigger when we ignore them. You don't have to finish everything at once. Maybe just one small task? One step at a time. Exactly. I'll start with just one page. Great job.
Let's start now. Don't wait too long. Do 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 do. Do do. Hey, this isn't so hard.
I really can. Small actions create big changes. I did it. I started it today instead of waiting for tomorrow. I'm proud of you. Thank you, Diary. Today's adventure taught me something important. I'm glad, Tara. Every adventure gives us a lesson worth remembering. Small actions today create a better future.
One small action today can shape a better tomorrow.
And whenever life feels overwhelming, let's start now! Thank you. Thank you.